Hi everyone! I have been working on this Kawaii Exploding Box for the past few days, and I was inspired to do this by TheHollycopter and SimplySweetGemini. I will post a link in the description box. I decorated the box with kawaii memo papers using Smile Pocket design, which is one of my favorite kawaii characters by Kawaii brand. And this is memo paper as well. I just cut it out and colored it. This is what it looks like in the inside, and it's filled with little goodies. This section is mixed theme kawaii characters, and this little guy is delivering mail, and I made this mini envelope with a magnet at the back, and you can put a little message or sticker flakes inside. This part has mini badges, and this part has kawaii memo papers in this mini slot. This is the Sonex theme, and it has Sonex sticker flakes. This part has this little plushie, and it's a cute chestnut guy from Sonex. As you can see from the background. This section is the Ryukuma Sweets, and it has Sonex memo papers. This is Food with Faces theme, and it has sticker flakes. As you can see, the cola drink and chocolate. This pudding, one of my favorite characters. This section has Food with Faces magnets, and I'm using one hand to hold this because my other hand is holding the camera. So as you can see, there's magnets at the back. This section has all the Food with Faces. Can you spot all the different types of food? And it has this lemon tea memo paper with a lemon tag. This is the Sanrio section, and it has Sanrio sticker flakes. This is shaped as an envelope, and you can open it, and there's a mini sticker book. And this section has scenario memo papers. This is a small sweet theme box in the center, and it has this really mini squishy donut. You can open the box, and there's sticker flakes and charms. I really enjoy making this. It was really fun, and I think it will make a great gift for anyone who likes kawaii things. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.